after being touched by so many auspicious articles which have been blessed by Anantadeva, Guru Varga, Bhumi Devi. It's a form of preparation, a seriousness of accepting worship on behalf of Lord Vyasa and the Guru Parampara. As an individual, I consider myself lower than the worms. In spite of how unqualified or insignificant I am, I have to represent to my ability Srila Prabhupada and all the previous acharyas. Prabhupada's mercy was to be given to everybody. Srila Prabhupada, many places, he said he wanted thousands or millions or tens of millions of spiritual masters in ISKCON to spread the Krishna conscious message. Remember in the lecture of Srila Vishnupada, Paramahamsa Purvakacharya Asutya, Sadasisi Mahabhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. And he was saying that one drop or one speck of dust, the lotus feet of my spiritual master can deliver the whole universe, or all the universes. In the Vyas Puja, we can get forgiven for any offenses we made to Guru. We can re-establish our proper alignment in the parampara, but we need to have the proper consciousness. So Adhivasa is to start to get us in the preparation for tomorrow. This is not Vyas Puja, this is pre-Vyas Puja. Many little things are important. We don't know all the meanings. In Tokyo one time they forgot to do the Pushpanjali. And Prabhupada said the Vyas Puja cancelled. It's not bona fide. You didn't do Pushpanjali, so Vyas Puja didn't count. You had to do everything over again. So then again the next day they did Vyas Puja all over again with Pushpanjali. So Prabhupada, he was very much concerned about observing all the details. So thank all the devotees for their good wishes, cooperation. We want to do something for His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. We want to do something wonderful, exceptional. And to do that, if we all cooperate together, Prabhupada said he'll be more pleased. I'm happy to see so many devotees cooperating together. Srila Prabhupada was, I don't think Prabhupada was ever here for a Vyas Puja. I may be wrong, but I don't think so. He used to come in Kartik or Bhadra, and he would come for Gaur Purnima. So we could never offer him Vyas Puja here in Mayapur directly. We could offer to his murti. Other temples had that advantage. So we were offering Vyas Puja in separation, in one sense. So here we have a language problem. Different people speak different languages. We hope that somehow that will be overcome by the organizers. Prabhupada gave us some assignments, distributing books, preaching, being very cooperative, practical, doing something. Now, as I went to South India for the safari, we saw many temples are developing. Tirupati's construction almost finished. Rajmandri foundation stone started. Visakhapatnam, Biti Stapan, not yet, they don't have a land, but the government said they'll give them a land. Like that, different places, Warangal, they already have a temple under construction, halfway. So it's nice to see how the devotees are all working hard to do something for Prabhupada. Like that, every devotee should think what I can do for Guru and Krishna. Every temple presidents can build a temple. And Grihastha devotees, they can try to establish some namhat in their house or try to help the temple or do a bhakti riksha. Everyone should try to contribute something for the spreading of Sankirtan movement. So like this, we hope that while you're in Mayapur Dham, you get the mercy of the Panchatattva. Panchatattva ki? You get the mercy of the Jana Manav Ashtasaki Vrinda. Then you get the Nrsimhadev mercy to overcome all the obstacles. So that when you go back to wherever you're coming from, you'll be more enthusiastic to practice your Krishna consciousness, to spread Krishna consciousness and help the spreading of Krishna consciousness. This time we went to Kurma Desh, where Lord Chaitanya gave the order to the Kurma Brahmin, Jari Dako, Tari Goho, Krishna Pradesh, Amar Agya Guru Hoya Tara Desh. Where we meet, you tell the glories of Krishna. You try to deliver your lands. This is my hope that everyone will work very cooperatively together to fulfill the desires of Srila Prabhupada. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.